Hi friends, how are you all? Today we will discuss about India's coastlines, coastline states. How many kilometers does India has its coastlines and which state has the coastlines, which has longest and which has smallest coastlines. Today in this class we will learn India is a peninsula country which is covered by one side land and three sides water. On east it has Bay of Bengal, on west it has Arabian Sea, and on south it has Indian Ocean, and on one side land it has North India, Himalayas. So to the topic we will learn about totally about coastlines. Okay. So nine states of India has coastlines. Means in Telugu తీర ప్రాంతాలు coastlines, coastal area, coastal states. So first one is Gujarat, second is Maharashtra, third one is Karnataka, and fourth one is Goa, and fifth one is Kerala, and sixth one is Tamil Nadu, and the seventh one is Andhra Pradesh, and the eighth one is Orissa, and the ninth one is West Bengal. So these are the nine states and two union territories also. Two union territories has also the coastlines. The first one is Puducherry. Puducherry. Puducherry is in three states. Puducherry is in three states. The first one is AP and the second one is Tamil Nadu and in Kerala. In three states, this Puducherry Union Territory is present. So this Puducherry has also coastlines, and the second one is Daman and Diu and Dadra Nagar Haveli. Dadra Nagar. Now, before annexing of this Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, it has three union territories. Nine states of India has coastlines and three union territories. But after annexation of these Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, it becomes two, Puducherry and Dadra and these Puducherry and Daman and Diu is present in Gujarat state. And Puducherry is present in three states, AP, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And two islands has also the coastlines of India. First one is Andaman and Nicobar Islands has also the coastal lines, and Lakshadweep Island has also the coastal lines. These two union territories UTs have the coastal lines. Islands. These are islands. Islands means it's covered by four sides water. Four sides water. It's covered by four sides water. And these union territories are present in states. These are islands. Okay. So here we discuss. I told that nine coastal states has the coastlines. States has the coastal lines, and two UTs also come under it, and two UTs island islands like Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep Islands has also the coastlines. So these nine coastal states has its specific names, coasts like Utkal coast we have, Coromandel coast we have, and Malabar coast we have Konkan coast, Sarkar coast, and Kathiawar and Kutch and Gujarat plain region. These types of coasts are also present. In next in map I will show you to which states are these coasts are connected to. Malabar coast is connected to, Konkan coast is connected to. In a map, in political physical map, I will explain it. Okay. So let's see here about these states, coastal states. The first one is Gujarat. Gujarat has the largest and the longest coastlines of among the 9 states of Indian coastal states. Gujarat has 1600 kilometers of coastline. How much? 1600 kilometers of coastlines, Gujarat. And it comes under Kathiawar region. Coastlines comes on Kathiawar and Kutch region and the Gujarat plain region. 3 regions is divided. This coastline. Okay. This Gujarat come under, and it is the largest of 9 coastal states. So in exams, the question will be asked which is the longest coastal state, which is the largest coastal state, or this type of question will be asked which state has the largest coastline, Gujarat. And this type of question will be asked how many kilometers does the Gujarat has its coastlines. And it can be asked in which region the Gujarat coast can be found. Kathiawar, Kutch and Gujarat. In map I will explain where is the Kathiawar region, Kutch region and Gujarat plain region. Okay. So next coming to second, which is the second largest coastal state, that is none other than Andhra Pradesh. Right? Andhra Pradesh. Second. Andhra Pradesh is the second largest coastal state. Okay. It has the coastline of 970 kilometer long coastal line, and it comes under Coromandel coast, and Sarkar coast. 2 coasts it's come under. Some half part Coromandel coast and half part Sarkar coast. Next, let's look third one. The third largest coastal states of India is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has 960 kilometers long coastal line. 960 kilometer long coastal line, and it is the third largest coastal line in India. It come under totally Coromandel coast. Next, fourth largest coastline state is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the fourth largest coastline. It has 720 kilometer long coastal line, and it comes under Konkan coast. What? Konkan coast. Okay. So next, on the fifth place has Kerala. Fifth largest coastal line in India has Kerala has the fifth place, and it has 580 kilometers long coastal line. 580 kilometers long coastal line, and it comes under Malabar coast. And let's look sixth one, Odisha. Odisha has the sixth place. Because Odisha has 485 kilometer long coastline. 485 kilometers, and it comes under Utkal coast. and the seventh one is Karnataka. Karnataka has the place on seventh. It has 320 kilometer long coastline, and it comes under Konkan coast. Which coast? Konkan coast. Okay. Next, coming to eighth place. The eighth place has Goa. At eighth place, it has 160 kilometer long coastal line. Goa state has 160 kilometer long coastal line, and these come under Konkan coast. Konkan coast. And the last but not the least is West Bengal state. West Bengal has 157 kilometer long coastal line, 157 kilometer long coastal line, and it comes under Utkal coast. Utkal coast. And the important point is Gujarat has the highest coastline, longest coastline, that is 1600 kilometer, and the smallest coastline state is West Bengal. So many of the people think that Goa has the smallest coastline, but not. West Bengal has the smallest coastline, because we think that Goa is a smaller state. It has smallest coastline, but now Goa has 160 kilometer of coastline and West Bengal has 157. So we cannot think that West Bengal has more coastline. West Bengal has the less coastline than Goa. So these points should be noticed. And Gujarat 1600, and the most these type of questions will be asked. And AP is the second place, 974 kilometer of coastline. Second place is on second place. So these type of important questions will be asked from variety questions will be prepared in exams. So you should be overcome it. Okay. So now we have discussed in theoretical way. Now we will discuss in map on practically. So see, Gujarat has the longest coastlines from here to very much largest coastline, 1600 kilometers long. Gujarat has the, and this Gujarat coastline is known as Kathiawar region, and this coastal area is known as Kutch region, and this region is known as Gujarat Plain. And Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli are present here. Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli are present here in Gujarat, and Puducherry is present in Kerala, Puducherry, and in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and in Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry is present. This place is known as Yanam, and in Kerala, Mahe, and in Tamil Nadu, Karaikal. This type of names are given. Puducherry, 2 union territories. So these coasts are known as Kutch coast, Kathiawar coast, and Gujarat Plain coast. So next is come to down south, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Goa. So Maharashtra state is also comes under Konkan coast. Maharashtra comes under Konkan coast. Goa also come under Konkan coast, and Karnataka also come under Konkan coast. And the Malabar coast. And notice this point, only one state has the Malabar coast, that is none other than Kerala. Kerala state has the Malabar coast, only one state. And Tamil Nadu, from starting to end of the Tamil Nadu point, Coromandel coast is present. Coromandel coast, Tamil Nadu coastline is present. And we will look here Tamil Nadu ends here, and from here Andhra Pradesh. Half of the area is covered by Coromandel coast, and half of the coast is covered by Sarkar Coast. So Andhra Pradesh has two coasts, Sarkar Coast, Coromandel Coast, and Orissa comes under Utkal Coast. Utkal Coast, and here we have West Bengal. So these coasts are also very important in exam because the questions will be framed like this. Tamil Nadu comes under which coast? Then what will you answer? The answer will be the Coromandel Coast. And the questions can be framed in another type of also. Because Andhra Pradesh has two coasts. One is Sarkar Coast and one is Coromandel Coast. Andhra Pradesh has up to here. So here comes Coromandel Coast and here comes Sarkar Coast. So questions will be framed following of them which comes under Coromandel Coast or Sarkar Coast. So based on options you should choose the correct answer. So and this type of questions, Malabar state, Malabar coast comes under which state? Kerala state. And questions will be framed in many number of ways. Kerala, which only particular state has the particular coast, means Malabar coast. Malabar coast only has the one state, Kerala state, and it has one coast, Malabar coast. Because Tamil Nadu has Coromandel coast serves as coast to Tamil Nadu and half of the part of Andhra. And Utkal coast also serve as a coast to Orissa and some part of Andhra Pradesh also. So we should examine this also. And the Konkan coast has the coastlines to which states? Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, three states. And the Gujarat has three regions, coastal regions. One is Kutch region, Kutch, which has some part of desert, Kathiawar region, and this Gujarat plains. I have explained Daman and Diu, these two union territories included in 9 states of coastal states, and Yanam in Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry, Karaikal in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Mahe, Puducherry, Kerala. So today in this class we have examined totally about the coastal lines and coastal states and coastal areas, తీర ప్రాంతాలు, తీర మైదానాలు, తీర రాష్ట్రాలు. So all we have discussed in it. So if you like my video, please share, like, comment, subscribe. Tomorrow I will come back in front of you with a new topic.